Hey, welcome. Today we are looking at this incredible Best 1-2PCS GNB. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is absolutely impressive. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. Beyond the looks, the power is what's most impressive. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. Check the link in the description and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.